What is going on, guys? Angelo here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a couple things, but I'm going to be doing it kind of in separate ways. But for this video specifically, it's going to be my Dell monitor. This is a 27-inch 165Hz 1440p monitor. I am so excited because this is going to be part of my gaming setup. So this is kind of the first wave of technology that I got, which is going to be the monitor, gaming headset, the webcam, and I think like one other thing. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Now, it was supposed to be free one-day shipping, but what ended up happening is I ordered this on Friday, and of course, y'all know what happens. You have to do that whole layover thing with Amazon. They do ship on Sundays now, but you know what happens. Go ahead and open this part up here. Oh wow, I did not know the monitor is like this big. It was a heavy box, it was heavy. It was about like 25, 30 pounds, so yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my gosh. This thing is heavy. Look at this thing. Oh man. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let me get the other one out because I got two of them because I'm going to be doing a dual monitor setup for when I live stream. I'm going to need to see the chat and be able to game, obviously. All right, so they're actually way bigger than what I thought. I did not think that the monitor was going to be this big, but now that I think about it, when I was working at Amazon, I do remember having to load these type of monitors up, and I just remember saying to myself, these things are huge, and now I have one for myself. We're going to go ahead and cut this open. Get my knife over here. Boom. Okay, maybe I should do this way. Alright. They packed it up well. And they do give you the cables, thank goodness. Looks like 2 HDMIs. Y'all can see that. And then we have another power cable right here. And once my PC comes, I'll do a full like lit up thing, but it'll only take a couple seconds when y'all see it. Here's the quick instructions, and then another thing right here. This is going to be your metal plate stand. I thought this was plastic in the video. I'll go ahead and give y'all a close-up. But it's actually made out of either steel or metal. It still feels very solid. Y'all can hear that. Very solid build. I definitely thought it was plastic in the original video that I saw, but it's not. And really quick, it does have rubber pads as well on the bottom here. Okay, this is the stand. And you don't have to pay extra for this stand, guys. Not like Apple. I couldn't imagine paying like $1,500, $1,600 just for a stand. But this feels really sturdy. It does have a nice little top-heavy weight to it. It seems like it moves only in one direction. Yeah, it moves in one direction. It does have a little cable management too, so that's nice. Alright. And this is the monitor itself. Grab this carefully. It is curved, by the way, which I don't mind because this is going to help with glare as well. And that's what it looks like. Beautiful screen. This is probably about as clean as it'll ever be because you know how dust magnets happen. This is the back here. Very solid build though. It feels very premium. Just even without like even with me having gloves on, it still feels premium. Once the PC comes, I'll set everything up and I'll show you all what it all looks like. Alright, so a little bit better look here. I don't know if you can fully see it. Yeah, you can. So setting it up is going to be pretty simple. I did watch a video prior to this, but I just wanted to kind of give another look. They have a lot of airflow points on here, which is really nice. I don't see any extra speakers. There is an LED light down here. And yeah, I'm really excited to check it out. Alright, so I did put a little towel down. That way it doesn't like scrape up my screen. Essentially, we're going to go ahead and get this stand as you see here. And just slide it in like here. Just align it. Make sure it's good. It's very flush. And it'll clock right in like that. It doesn't snap in or anything. It's very subtle. And there you have that. Now the stand is in there, and just to take it out, all you do is press the button. And again, it just locks in place it's very seamless, very seamless. This is gonna be the metal plate as you see here. So we're gonna slide these little 2 teeth into here. Again, it's very seamless. You don't need any screws for this. And then we're just gonna use this part right here. We're just gonna tighten it. No screws required, which is really nice. But there is a screw hole here. There is a screw hole on here. It is not a normal screw type though. We're just gonna make sure that's tight enough. Flick it like that, and there you have it. I just wanted to give you all an idea of how large this screen is. This is just one of them. I didn't realize how big like 27 inches was because I'm so used to using this tiny little 14-inch laptop. This is massive. I haven't had a real desktop PC in like probably 5 years, so this is a really nice upgrade for me. I'm excited to turn it on. Once I get the PC, like I said, I'm just gonna snap my fingers and the PC will be here.